So, welcome everybody to this YouTube live. Today we have in this live Mr. Surjit Roy and Mr. Colonel Aditya
Hello.
Singhal. Good evening,
Hello.
sir. Good
Good
evening,
evening.
Aditya sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, as we are coming up with one. We are coming up with one Career Counselors Summit on this 29th August 2021. That is Sunday, 3 to 5 p.m. So we want to invite you to that summit, and let's understand about some nitties gritties what actually we are going to do on that summit from the experts which we have on those. Out of those 6 speakers we have today, Mr. Surjit Roy and Mr. Adit Singhal. So before that, I want to tell you a little about Surjit ji. Surjit ji is a career coach, mentor, and the harbinger of apprenticeship. He has started apprenticeship program in India. And second is Mr. Adit Singhal, Colonel Adit Singhal, with 33 years of experience in the armed forces. And right now in his second innings, he's a certified inner transformation coach and mindfulness coach, and he's ICC certified career coach. He's also a certified career mentor, NLP practitioner, graphology, and signature analyst. So, welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank
yeah.
you.
So, Surjit sir, I want to ask you about this summit. Can you please tell us about the Career Counseling Summit, which is going to happen on 29th August? Little bit about it. Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a career counseling and mentoring summit, and I would say it is a little different from the regular webinars and summits we are having nowadays for 2 reasons. One, that the panelists in the summit are a part of one community, which is the speakers, trainers, coaches community.
Okay.
And it is not that the panelists come together only for that panel discussion and then go away. So there is an organic link between the panelists who are working together as a organic community, and we meet very often and we share a common vision, a larger vision of how to take this entire thing forward. So that is one.
Okay.
Second, I am very happy to share that the STC community itself has all experienced certified speakers or trainers or coaches. It is not a collection of not so experienced novices who just come together because it's a virtual world and trying to experiment. So you've already said what Colonel is all about. He has 35 years of experience in the army, and then he certified himself into inner transformation and mindfulness coach and the career counseling coach and all. Then we have Pip Fernandez, who is a TED speaker, and then she is an amazing, she's chosen the noble profession of being a medical clown. Of course, she's certified. When we have Roma Kumar with a lot of experience in the NCRT, and she is a relationship coach. We have Sejal, who's again certified as a graphologist. She handwriting expert. She will actually advise you based on what your handwriting is all about.
Right.
And then you have Radhika Jatin, who's a certified child and family counselor. So all of them put together, and I'm the only one who's not certified, because my basic essence of my mentorship is existential. Okay. I've always said that I will do it, I will share what is my experience in my 40 years of career in the civil service as well as the corporate sector, and across regulatory and development sectors, across cities and remote places. And I will bring together the world of existential and the world of books. So it's going to be an amazing conference, and it's basically aimed at people who are just starting their careers, who are a little confused on which way to go, people who just started their careers, the young professionals, and even people who are in the middle segment and who are feeling a little lost with what to do. So I think it's going to be an amazing mix and an amazing conference, which youngsters and those in the middle level of their careers who need some guidance
should
join.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that information. So coming to Aditya, sir, sir, Surjit sir was talking about some community, that is STC community, and you are also an integral part of that community. So can we have some details about that community, what this community is all about, and what is its mission, this community's mission? Yes, sir.
So Chakradhar, as Surajit ji mentioned, STC community is a community of speakers, trainers, and coaches who have been in this field for quite some time.
Okay.
And they are professionals in their respective fields. They have the experience of their work experience of their respective field. Like Surajit ji mentioned that he has experience of administrator for 40 years in various different roles in government organizations. And like I have my experience of being in the army for 33 years. And similarly, we have different people of different specialization, different expertise. So we have all come together because of one common factor, which brought us together, was that we all were part of a program conducted by Rohini Mundra called the Extraordinary Speaker Trainer Coaches program. So all of us attended that, and those of us who were aspiring coaches and speakers and trainers, or who were already there in this field, but we wanted to upgrade ourselves and upskill ourselves. And now what we have been, I have been part of this community for over 6 months now.
Okay.
And our brainchild is Priyanka Sharma, who brought us all together. And what we have been doing, our common aim is to work together to help each other grow in their respective field of specialization. And so by collaborating with each other and co-creating ideas and, giving a platform to try out new things which we want to launch ourselves into before we actually go into the environment. So it gives us a test bed kind of a thing, environment. And it is a totally non-judgmental and open community wherein everybody is free to express their ideas and participate, create webinars, conduct different summits like the one which we have planned. You already mentioned about the Career Counselor Summit. So this is the second summit which we are doing, and that is how we are helping each other grow in their respective field and also growing as a community. So it is basically we are, I would say, exploiting the power of community to grow together and also individually.
Yes, sir. The mission is grow together. Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Yeah. So coming to Surjit sir, how did you set yourself apart from others, like who provide the career counseling? How your career counseling is different from others? Yes, sir.
Okay, so my career counseling is basically going to be how do you start enjoying your job, whichever career you've chosen.
Right.
As is, where is basis, wherever you are. I'm not telling you to move here, move there, choose this, choose that. I'm just saying wherever you are, I will help you get your connect with yourself, and you will start enjoying not only your job, but everything else in life.
Okay. Okay. So this is all about means whatever you're doing, you should enjoy it. Then only you are going to be, means you will become successful if you'll keep working on it. Yes. So coming to Ajit sir, what has changed in what is changed most in the career counseling field since you have started? Is this thing has changed? People have started using more technical expertise, or they have started using more tools. What has changed? Yes, sir.
Chakradhar, in this, especially in the field of career counseling, what I have noticed when I have been into this field for just about a year now, but I did have a experience of counseling and guiding youth when I was in the National Cadet Corps for 4 years while I was in service. So we found that most of the time, even the parents are not aware what are the careers options available to their children. Yes. So what used to happen is invariably at the school level, they would either go in for science, and here also you had only science of 2 streams, either engineering or medical or arts or commerce. Right. So the options were very limited at the school level. And once they finished the school, then they used to go college, and that time they were I would say a mad race because of our education system, wherein in Delhi University you must have seen even a person with 100% marks is not able to get the choice of his subject in his college.
Right.
So there was nobody either at the school level or outside who could guide the children as to firstly identify their own talent
Yes.
and interest,
Mhm.
then also find out their aptitude, and thereafter align both of them together so that they can get the 3-4 options which they can do well, and thereafter make a considered choice or informed choice.
Right.
So this is what has changed the field of career counseling, because all the people who are into this, even the organizations which are working in the field of career counseling, are using scientific methods
Mhm.
like psychometric tests and etc., so that you are able to identify the aptitude of the child, and thereafter then provide this right guidance to them.
Right.
That is one thing which has changed, but it is still in the nascent stage, because even the parents are not aware. So it is not only children, but even the parents need to be given this awareness.
Kind of.
Then
Right.
they will be able to make the best of this tool
Decisions,
which is
yeah.
available to them.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So coming to Surjit sir again, sir, what is the best career advice you have received? You have ever received by someone? Now you are telling it to the people, but then you also would have got some advice from a person who can have been a life-changing decision for you. Yes, sir.
Yeah, there are two bits and pieces of advice. I think one is always try and look at the bigger picture.
Okay.
Don't do micro. Look at the bigger picture. You will find a larger connect with whatever is happening.
Right.
Develop processes and then delegate the routine so that
Okay.
you can think, you can strategize.
Yes.
And the other thing is, which is I think very, very important, is be yourself.
Right.
Don't copy paste.
Yes.
Anybody.
Yeah. So you can prove your worth to the world if you are doing by yourself, learning new strategies and telling it to the world. Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, all of us on the outer, we are all different kinds of people, right?
Right. Yes.
We look different.
Yeah.
We have noses, but our noses are different.
Right.
So there is no reason for us to feel that from the inside we are same.
Right.
So we need to be ourselves inside and outside. So you can't help it.
Right.
You need to be yourself even from the inside.
Inside also.
And that's it.
Great. Great. So coming back to Adi sir again, sir, what advice would you give to your younger self? Like you are today 20 years old or 16 years old. So what advice would you give to your younger self at the start of your career? Means if you could have did this before, you would have been at a better place, or things could have been different. Yes, sir.
So Chakradhar, taking on from where Surajit ji left, I would say when I was 20, at the age of 16, a long time back, I did not have any kind of guidance to me as to what is available, what are the options available, and how I can go about it. Right. But now, if you ask me today, if I have to give advice to myself as a young 16-year-old boy and who's in school, would be to first identify what is my own passion and what is my interest. Right. Thereafter, take professional advice as to which are the areas wherein I can utilize my interest. Like these days, we talk about turn your passion into profession. Right. And it is actually possible in the present day environment. Right. So once I have identified my passion, my interest, once I have taken the correct advice to identify which are the areas I can go into, and then I should start working backwards. Like yes. Select my long-term goal first, and thereafter break into shorter goals, and then step-by-step process follow that, so that I am able to achieve that particular thing. So, for example, suppose if I have to become an engineer, right? Even in the field of engineering, there are almost 100+ options available to you.
Yes.
So I have to select which field I have to go into. Right. And thereafter start working on it. So the chances of me being successful in that career or the profession I have chosen are 100 times better than if I go just like by the
Yeah.
flow or by the peer pressure or parental pressure.
Right, right.
That
Join
would
this
be
and
the
you
advice I
will be
would like to.
successful. Yes, right.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, sir. So thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable information, valuable
Thank you,
wisdom shared with
Chakradhar.
us. Yes. So
Thank you, Chakra.
yeah. So I think this career counseling summit, which we are doing on 29th of this month, is definitely going to bring a plethora of choices for the people. Be it be a person who of 16 years of age or 20 years of age or 35 years of age or even 40